Lily, get up. It's time to go.
So we're here, Base Camp Snowdon, Monday the 10th of August. And we're going to go on our journey up the Rangers Trail up Snowdon. It is now 9:40 and we'll start. So we've been walking for 5 minutes now. Dehydration is starting to kick in. Gonna have to stop. So I think I've found an easy way up now. Lily, go catch a sheep. So we left the Rangers Lodge about 10 minutes ago.
And now we can't breathe.
Can't breathe, got a stitch, dehydrating. I think I've twisted my ankle. Hungry, gonna have to stop for lunch. Need to lighten these backpacks, far too heavy. Let's go out to sweets. Really lovely view here. We've been walking for about half an hour. And now I need to call in the mountain rescue for Lily. Airlifted to safety. Starting to think now that the week's training of walking to the fridge every night to get the beers wasn't enough. I now know what Leonardo DiCaprio felt like in The Revenant. Hardcore. So Lily, not far from the top now, how are you feeling?
Dead.
Jesus.
Completely dead.
Only got to get up there. So we're almost there. Feels like day 17. I can do this. So here we are, the final descent down to the ranger station. Absolutely knackered. Blinding though. You liked it?
Yeah, it's good.
Need to get back, have a shower, get to the pub. So we're back now, Snowdon Base Camp. Showered, cleaned, fresh, feeling so much better. Sore in places that really shouldn't be sore, unless one of these people who goes to Thailand's into man, child, women and things like that, but never mind. It's time to hit the pub.